Well, good morning, everybody. That 24-hour temperature cast starts warm, gets warm, and stays warm. I think we've got a chance to get to 80 today. Now, we're dealing with some fog early, and I think in spots from Taylor County through Jefferson County and Thomas County west, we've got the chance to see some of those visibility numbers drop below 1 mile and stay there for a while. So dense fog is a possibility this morning. Expect more fog in more spots again tomorrow and Friday. As we've increased the moisture a little bit, there isn't much of a breeze to stir things up. And while we get a little warmer and a little bit more humid over the next few days, I don't expect a lot to change. So that likely means things that we see today and feel today, we'll see and feel again tomorrow and Friday and going forward until something new comes down the road to change this whole up. And I don't see that happening anytime soon. Right now, it's 59 degrees at the airport in Tallahassee. A little different in Valdosta, where it's 52. Thomasville, we're at 57 degrees. Not much breeze to stir it up out there this morning. Marianna, one of the warm spots at 63. Out in Panama City, it's 65 this morning. How about 59 degrees in Moultrie, 54 in Perry, and 60 at Camilla. There are showers north and west. There is much cooler air way off to the north. But I don't see any of that getting all the way down here. It's a different setup this week, and it's not going to allow for this energy to get all the way down to our part of the southeast. Instead, higher pressure reasserting itself along the Gulf Coast. It's going to be our big weather player, and that hopefully gives us a little bit more blue in the sky over the next couple of days. I still think there'll be plenty of clouds, and all the while, more warm and a little bit more humid coming our way. So we'll notice those temperatures inch up. We'll notice that little bit of an ick factor increase a little bit, but we're not talking middle of summer kind of humid, icky, sticky out there. And as far as the real rain chances go, while I can't remove them completely from our forecast, I'm not counting on very many, especially for most of us. Well to the north, out to the west, better chances to get a couple of sprinkles, but that's probably the most we're going to find, as this setup isn't going to change for the next couple of days. Now on the Gulf, winds out of the southwest light, 5 to 12. Seas 2 feet or less, mostly smooth in the bays. A pretty good setup for the boaters out there. High tides finish a little before 6. Low tides will get started after 10. 50s and 60s this morning with some fog. Otherwise, let's go with mixture of clouds and sun. Probably more clouds than sun all day. And I think 80 is within reach this afternoon. Upper 50s for us tonight with some more patchy fog. Over the next couple of days, not a lot changing. Highs can inch up into the low 80s, and morning lows, guys, closer to 60.